Hi, my name's Chris Hellich. I'm from PPD Real Estate. We're here at 4 of 40 Woonulla Road, Point Piper. It's a grand and stunning 3-bedroom Art Deco apartment. Not only has it been held in the family for 60 years, but it's situated in one of Sydney's most prestigious streets. Come have a look.
But as I walk through your door, you tell me it's over, over, over. Da, 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 da.